Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll begin a series of simple South Indian vegetarian side dishes for rice, all home style recipes. Today we'll make this Vaazhaikai Kootu. Vaazhaikai refers to this raw banana. So I have taken 2 of these raw bananas. First we'll peel and chop them. Now take water in a kadai. Add this chopped raw banana to the water. Always keep the chopped raw banana soaked in water while you are cutting. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and some salt to taste. Meanwhile, we will grind a masala for this kootu. Kootu means a gravy kind of vegetable. So, I have here about 4 tablespoons of grated coconut, three green chillies and a teaspoon of jeera. I am also adding 1 teaspoon of rice flour to this. Add a little bit of water and we will grind it all into a fine paste. Cover it and cook it for just 6 or 7 minutes. This will cook very fast. I cooked it only on a low flame. See, it is cooked and done. We can add our ground paste to this. Mix it together and just allow it to boil for another 1 or 2 minutes. See, when it starts boiling well, add some fresh curry leaves to this. Now we can switch it off. I prefer to use coconut oil for the tempering. You can use coconut oil or sesame oil, that is til oil. Add some mustard seeds, Urad dal. Add a pinch of Hing to this and pour it on top of your kootu when the dal is golden brown. See, our Vaazhaikai Kootu is done and ready. Can you see the consistency? So you can pair it off with any rasam, sambar or even with the korambu, it goes very well with it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.